Newspaper Christmas tree. Oh yes, this Christmas craft is simple, fun and easy to make. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest update and hit the bell button for notifications. So today I will share with you a simple way to make this Christmas tree. For this, you will be needing few newspaper tubes and color them with green, peach, white color. If you want to know how to make newspaper tubes and color them, click the link below in the description. Now, take few peach tubes, arrange it this way and paste them with white tape. This way. Now take a tube, apply little glue, place it over and roll it. Roll it on this white tape to cover it like this. Keep on rolling till here. Attach cloth pin. Open all the trunk below. Arrange it this way. Outward. Place it this way. Now to extend the tube for weaving, apply white glue and insert in one tube. Now we are ready to weave. So start weaving like this. Keep on weaving. For more Christmas craft, watch my previous videos and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss any of my videos. Keep on weaving. Now here to the end, apply glue, paste it, cut the extra tube. Now take green tube, divide into half like this, place it over here this way, hold it. Now take another tube, place it below and bend it behind the trunk this way. Now this tube, bring it in front like this way. Now repeat with the another tube in the same manner. Place it divided into half, place it over here, take this tube this side, behind and arrange it and take this in front. Place it this way. You have to arrange, like this. Keep on repeating. For more Christmas craft, watch my previous videos and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss any of my videos. Keep on weaving. How to make this star, please watch my previous video. Link is in the description below. Fix the star on the top and paste with white tape. Now continue weaving it up to the end. Apply glue, paste and attach cloth pin. So my friend, isn't it a beautiful Christmas tree? Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, Give this video a big thumbs up. Do comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching, supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, namaste.